Welcome to Everyday Idioms with me, Dara, from freespiritenglish.com. Today's idiom, early bird and night owl. In the morning, we wake up to birds singing, and we all know that owls stay up late at night. For this reason, we call people who like getting up early birds. And we call people who like to stay up late night owls. So let's look at a few example sentences using these phrases. Are you an early bird or a night owl? I'm an early bird. I get up at 6 o'clock every morning. I'm a night owl. I work best after midnight. So there we are. Let us know in the comments section below. Are you an early bird or a night owl? Brought to you by freespiritenglish.com. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and share it with your friends.